A soothing, refreshing drink that'll make you feel light and healthy and is also anti-aging. The Blue Brew, Blue Pea Flower Tea. Welcome to Water Gravy. This is the blue pea flower plant, also called as Aparajita, Sangupushpam, blue ternate. This tea is made from the infusion of pea flower when steeped in hot water. It has a mild and earthy flavor, hence a versatile drink. To a jar, add around 25 to 30 dried blue pea flowers, 10 to 12 fresh flowers. Add 3 glasses or 600 ml of water to a pan. Switch on the stove. Allow the water to boil. Now add this boiling water to the blue pea flowers in the jar. Give it a stir and close the lid. Let the flowers steep in the hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can see that the blue color of the flowers have infused into the water. Remove the flowers. Alternately, you can strain it too. Now the tea is ready. Pour it into the teacups. Add any sweetener of your choice. I am adding powdered jaggery. And you can see the color changing to a deeper blue. Mix and enjoy hot. Now to prepare the cold drink, the same pea flower decoction or tea has to be cooled and used. Cut a lime. Squeeze about 1 tablespoon of lime juice into a tall glass. You can add it according to your taste. Add ice cubes. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons raw honey. Place the mint leaves with the stem. Pour the cooled pea flower decoction. And voila! You can see that the color slowly changing to dark purple. This is because when the blue pea flower decoction comes in contact with an acidic medium like lime or any acidic medium, it changes color. To serve, place a lemon slice with salt rubbed on it. Both the cold lemon minted and the hot refreshing tea are ready. Did you know that the blue pea flower tea also has a very quaint name, fairy tea? What would be your choice, the hot brew or the cold drink? Today's recipe is a highly therapeutic drink. It has got a lot of health benefits, and ongoing studies have shown that it helps in weight loss, is anti-cancer, helps control blood sugar, and helps to relieve stress. Do you know how the pea flowers get the vibrant blue color? Because you're full of anthocyanins. That and the flavonoids present in the blue pea flower make it a potent antioxidant, and that also helps it to protect the skin cells against damages by UV rays, making it anti-aging. We'll meet you on Monday with another interesting recipe. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. To get notified on new videos, press the bell icon. And do check out our other popular videos.